everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Today's project is wire wrapping these pretty sodalite beads. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, please keep on watching. Alright, I'm Val and I make weekly content on jewelry tutorials to make different earrings, bracelets, and sometimes necklaces. And I love to show everybody how I did them. They're tutorials, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials. And so I'm going to jump right in and get into the video. What I used for, I have 3 sodalite beads here. That's kind of a really rich blue color, pretty blue color, which is my favorite color, blue. And so I'm really happy to make those. I'm going to use 20 gauge wire. It's not too thick and not too thin at the same time, and I think that's going to work out the best. This one I used 20 gauge wire on, and I like the kind of the thinner look of that. This one turned out well too. It's just a little bit thicker. This is 18 gauge wire. They kind of look the same, but I like personally I just liked the 20 gauge better. And so I snipped off, let's see, about 5 inches or so of this wire, and this is silver plated wire. Looks like that. 20 gauge, and there's a hole at the top of this bead. I'm gonna put the wire there, and then I'm gonna have one longer piece and then one that's a little bit shorter. Bring the wire, kind of do that until you have it crosses in the middle at the top there. And now I'm going to just start twisting. And this is the beginning of the wire wrapping. So the longer piece is sticking up. Now I'm just going to start wrapping. I'm going to use all of the wire that I've got there for the smaller piece. I'm just going to wrap that off. Then I'm going to make my loop at the top. And I'll be finished. I'll add a jump ring there. And that's for whatever chain that you'd like to wear with your piece. So there we go. I'll try to form that around the bead. I'm going to snip off that part that's sticking out, and then we're gonna use the chain nose plier to make sure everything is tucked in and there's not any harsh edges sticking out anywhere. Okay, and I'm going to use my one-step looper, make a loop at the top, and I'm almost done with this part of my project. Then on to the earrings. Okay, so there's my loop. Everything is good, it's secure. Angle it up there, kind of try to make it straight, and I need a jump ring, and this is my wire wrapped sodalite bead. Okay, and so you can put this with a leather cord, and I just happen to have something here to show as an example. Use that and have it kind of just hang down. You can have a silver chain that would look nice with this. But that's that piece. And for the earrings, to match, okay, I've got some silver tone pieces here. And I've got 2 head pins, the flat ones. Okay, I'm going to put smaller, it's a faceted sodalite bead at the top here. And I'm gonna add another silver bead. I thought that was good. I think that's pretty. Okay, and it's just gonna kind of dangle like that. I'm going to grab my looping tool, get a loop here at the top. And straighten up my loop. Okay, and now I need to do the same thing again to make my pair. These colors remind me of denim, so I think it would be very pretty to wear with jeans. Pretty blue outfit. Alright, all I need are my ear wires. And I'm done with my project. And I can start thinking about what I will do for my next video. Alright, just about done. Make sure the ends are touching so I won't have any ear wires falling off. Alright, let's grab a couple ear wires and see what we have. Okay, I think I'm going to use my fancy ones. I like these from Hobby Lobby. They are, let's see, French hook wires, I think they're called. But that's what they look like. They come in that package. Forgive me for not showing that more clearly to begin with when I opened it up. Alright, open up. Okay, there's one earring. Let's get the other one finished. And then it is time for bed. Time to wind down for the evening. So, alright. So here is one project for the evening. The earrings with the round sodalite bead, and then this is the one we wrapped. I wrapped. So I hope you liked the project. I hope you liked my beads. Part of the fun of all the jewelry making, I think, is learning about the different beads and the shades and, you know, the different colors and the different sizes of the beads. It's just so fun. And I really do like silver and blue together, and so I like that. I think it turned out nice. And I think I do know one of the next videos I'd like to make. I love hoop earrings, and I kind of was playing around with these the other day. So I think in my next video I'm going to show you how I made these. So can't wait to show you that next project. I hope you enjoyed this one, and keep on watching. Look for future content in the very, very near future, probably the day after tomorrow or maybe even tomorrow. Having lots of fun creating and all those fun things. So till next time, bye bye. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Till next time.